My fellow citizens, a few hours ago, as you all know, America was attacked by terrorists. The Twin Towers were attacked using our own commercial airlines for the horrendous act, killing those in the airplanes and thousands more innocent people, both in and outside the Twin Towers. In this conflict, America faces an enemy who has no regard for rules of morality. Osama bin Laden will be hiding, for he knows we will not take this attack too lightly. With our sustained commitment and determination, we will find him and bring justice to his inhumane acts. They came and killed many of our sisters and brothers, which we shall not forgive this inhuman act of theirs. Children have been left alone, wives and husbands left behind, and thousands of families now with broken hearts. And to our armed forces now getting ready to defend the world from bin Laden's acts, we are praying for you and for the protection of the innocent. We all know the feeling of losing a loved one. It is difficult, sad, and a feeling no one wants. Even with time, the pain will not entirely go away, but we shall continue with our lives and justice will be done. Our nation responds to this act determined to defeat Osama bin Laden and whoever else has participated. We will not stand here and wait for the next attack. We will not accept defeat. Therefore, we will give it our all to bring justice and relief to our American citizens. At the end, they will know America will not take theirs or anyone's attacks. They will know that they cannot kill innocent people, nor our spirits. This will be our enemy's last atrocity against all people. My fellow citizens, we all bring justice and peace. We will defend our country and prevail.